When is the next time I will buy crypto? This means Jasmy, XRP, Dogecoin, Litecoin. Those are like my top 4 that I would say. And in today's video, I want to tell you guys exactly when I plan to buy, so you know exactly when you should buy. Because let's be honest, right? This market sucks right now. We may go down lower, and we're going to talk about that in today's video, which means Jasmy could go lower, which means XRP could definitely go lower, even though they had the most bullish news ever. But we're already starting to see some consolidation. Dogecoin's also breaking down a little bit. And it all depends on Bitcoin at the end of the day. Sad story, but very true. Bitcoin leads the pack. It still is going to lead the pack this year. Maybe that changes in the future. Maybe XRP takes it over. Maybe Jasmy gets to a $50 billion market cap one day and just becomes what we want it to become. But who knows? Right now, we need to be very clear on our position size and when we plan to buy again, because right now it's just very frustrating. It's very ugly. So let's break it down exactly when I plan to buy next. Of course, it's not financial advice. Not financial advice, is all my own opinion. But here we go, guys. So 4 days ago, I said, Bitcoin update. This needs to happen for us. We need to get back above 95,000 to see new highs. You could see we have some trend lines above us that we will act as resistance. You can see right here, trend lines, okay? And so far they've been acting as resistance because Bitcoin's under like 84,000 right now. If we can't get back above 95,000 with some daily candle closes, then I think we could test 73,000 to 72,000 before making new highs. Positive sign for Bitcoin is it's creating positive divergence on a daily time frame. So guys, this is like my worst case scenario. This can definitely happen. I would prefer it to happen sooner than later. I do not want a slow bleed of Bitcoin all the way down to here for the next several weeks. I would prefer us to wick down to 73 to 72,000 and then take the next leg up. And I'm going to tell you what my top is for Bitcoin. What if there was a way I could show you when to buy? Like imagine if you just got notified every single week about a stock or crypto and I told you exactly when to buy. Would that be helpful? I've been making a lot of calls the last 2.5 years, but I just want to show you the most recent ones, right? Because it's been a very bearish market, I would say, lately. But at 219, I said to buy Tesla. You could see right here. Do you want to know why I said to buy Tesla at 219 and then it went over 250? At 1101, I bought SoFi. You could see right here. Okay, I explain exactly why I do this. If you guys want to meet one-on-one on Zoom, you could check out the links out down below. Okay, you could upgrade to gold or echelon tier and I will personally meet with you and we will break down your entire portfolio. If you want to just start to learn how I call these buys, and now SoFi is over like $12.50, I believe, then you can join the stock or the crypto tier. If you want 20% off, you could pay for the whole year. Just try it out for a month. If you don't like it, you can cancel within the first 30 days and you're good to go. There's going to be a ton of opportunities in the very near future where you can start to buy stuff and hold it for a week to 2 weeks and make a ton of money. And that's exactly what I'm locking in on. All right, so that was 4 days ago that I made that post. You can see right now, 2 hours ago, I made a post for Patreon members. I just want to give you guys this information because you're subscribed. I appreciate you for watching these videos. And I want to make sure we all win at the end of the day. I'm not in competition with anyone, but if you follow me, I want to make sure that you win at the end of the day because I want to win at the end of the day. My mindset right now, not worried about the day-to-day for crypto. Unfortunately, it's going to be like this for a couple of weeks. If we go down to 72 to 73,000, that's when I will buy crypto again, guys. So that's when I'm buying crypto, and that's when I'm buying Jasmy, XRP, Dogecoin, Litecoin, my top 4 cryptos for this cycle. I truly believe in big use cases and oversold levels on the RSI. So that's what I'm going to be watching. That's what I'm going to help you guys with. Now, here's the thing, guys, and I know most of you hold crypto and probably some of you are sitting in cash. So if we don't go to 72 to 73,000, then I will just continue to hold what I have. 2024 was great for crypto. I believe this year will also be great from current levels. That means the prices you see today, but expect choppiness. My Bitcoin top target is 120 to 130. So as Bitcoin tends to go higher, whether it decides to do it right now or it dips down to 72 to 73,000 first, and then we have a huge bounce, whatever it decides to do, this is my top price this year for Bitcoin, okay? At this moment, this is when we will start to take profit with certain altcoins. But again, it doesn't really matter where the price goes. The most important things I want you guys to understand right now, it depends where the RSI is, especially for coins like Jasmy. And in yesterday's video, I broke that down for you, so make sure you go watch that if you haven't yet. That tells you exactly when you should sell Jasmy, okay? So with that, guys, not financial advice, of course. This is all my own opinion. I hope you have a great weekend, and maybe we'll see you in the Discord. See you on the next one.